In this video, we will show you how to register and create an eService account on the City of Cape Town's website. The City of Cape Town's rules and regulations are constantly changing, so in order for you to keep up to date with the changes, it is crucial to subscribe. You will receive notifications on all planning-related updates on this channel. Now, let's begin. The eService portal is a place where all customer-related requests and services gets logged, such as motor vehicle license renewal, hall bookings, logging of faults and submitting of building plans. At the end of this video you will have your own eService account, and will be able to navigate the interface. In this example, we will activate the Development Management service on our profile. This service is used to request and submit all building-related requests. Let's begin. First you will need to go to this website, www.capetown.gov.za. From here, you click on the yellow block, the block named City Connect. Then, navigate to the eService link, on the left side of the screen, shown here. Then click on the link, Register. This will take you to the personal information page, shown here. At this point you can pause the video to add your information. When done, click on Next. This will take you to the Sign In Details page. Here you can enter a username of your choice. Then enter your email, and again the same email below. Enter the cell number. Make sure to click the tick box at the bottom of the screen. Then click Register Me. The system will tell you if the username you chose is already in use. If it is, try changing your username to something else. Make sure all the information is correct. Then click Register Me. Congratulations, you are now registered for eService. They will now send you an email, containing your username, and a unique randomly generated password to the email address you entered. This might take several minutes up to an hour. Once you receive your email, open it, and copy, or write down the username and password. Make sure to copy it exactly the same. Now, head back to the City of Cape Town website. Just as before, click the yellow block, then click on eService. You will now paste or enter your username and password in the blocks here. On the next screen, they will ask you to change the password they sent you. Click in the Old Password box, paste, or enter the random password they sent you. Now, create a new password of your own choice. Remember, your password must contain at least one number. Then, enter your new password again, to confirm. Congratulations, you are now in your eService profile. Make sure to save, or write down your password, for future login. Before we end this video, we will show you what to do if you get this error. This ID number is already registered. This only means that you at some point used this ID number to register for e-billing or some other form of digital service provided by the City of Cape Town. Not to fear, you can easily change it. As before, go to the website, click the yellow block, then eService. Then, click on Retrieve Username and Password. This will take you to a page where you must enter your email address and ID number. Remember to click on Reset My Password in the tick box below. Once done, they will send you a new temporary random password and your old username linked to the account. From here, you can skip to the timestamp on the video and follow those steps. If for some reason you do not have the username, password or email address associated to the eService account, you can request the Revenue eService department to clear your email from your ID, or link your email to a new eService account. You can find the Revenue email address in the video description. If you find this video helpful, Please subscribe, like and share to a friend that might benefit from this information. In the next video, we will show you how to activate your development management service to be able to submit plan copy requests or to submit building plans and enforcement complaints. Click here to access that video.